Maverick seems to think I like taking him to the vet. I don't like doing it. That's not fair. You know what? No cheap shots, young man. Yeah, you know what? Your tail looks like crap, too. Yeah, well, I have no excuse for that. That's your mother buying the cheap shampoo. Well, she has to save money because you're so damn expensive. Ungrateful little monkey. Don't interrupt me. Think you're so smart because you're so pretty. You know what? You know what? Leave her out of this. She's not here to defend herself. She's your mother. Show her some respect. You are the... No, we don't love Reacher Moore. We definitely don't love Jerry Moore. You're still my favorite. Because I have to do this. I need to keep you safe. I know it doesn't feel that way. I don't understand the ending of Inception either, okay? Alright, I'll Google it. Just relax.